Hello and welcome back to Everyman Driver. I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, click on that subscribe button. We upload at least 2, sometimes 3 new videos every single week. And we also have a brand new podcast on iTunes and Stitcher Smart Radio. It's called the Everyman Driver Podcast. This week we're talking about the 2014 Chicago Auto Show featuring Kia's latest lineup. We have the K900, the Kia Niro Concept, the Soul EV, and a brief look at the Optima Hybrid. Here you go.
This spring, we'll offer the ultimate expression of our Challenger spirit with the all-new K900 flagship sedan. With its advanced technology, superb craftsmanship, and premium materials, we believe you'll never look at luxury or Kia the same again. This next vehicle also comes from across the Atlantic. It was penned at our European design studio, and we think it could one day find a home on the streets of Chicago. Please welcome the Kia Niro Concept. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here now is the world debut of the 2015 Kia Soul EV.
Also, if you haven't already, please like and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Keyword is Everyman Driver. And if you have any questions or vehicle suggestions, send us an email to everymandriver@gmail.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching.